Skyler with Ignite attachments. This is our land drag. It's going to come in two sizes. We will have a 68-inch bar, which are the shorter ones up in the front, or you can get it with the 90-inch bar. That's going to be the distance between your outside teeth. You can set it up to run with the 90-inch bars, how you see it right now, which is offset bars, making it 96 inches wide. And for the shorter ones, you can expand that 68-inch out to 72-inch by offsetting the bars. There's a couple mounting holes, so you can offset them like this, change your teeth spacing between 6 and 3 inches, depending on what you want to work. These things are great for driveways. You can work that gravel back up to the top, especially springtime after everything's been compacted. Help your driveway dry out, get rid of tire ruts, that kind of stuff. You can use it to just level out in your yard. If you've been digging, want to smooth things back out, there's just endless options with this. It's going to come with either a 3-point, so you can hook up to your tractor. It's going to be quick hitch compatible, or you can buy it and you'll get the same chain, but you'll bolt that on where your 3-point goes, and you can drag it with your UTV, anything you want. So you can get tractor form with the 3-point, or you can get it with a chain, just drag it with a chain. We've designed in here some channels. If you're looking to add some extra weight, get a little more engagement. So these will hold your typical cinder block, so you can be able to stack 3 of those on either side. That's what these channels here are designed for, so a great option there. If you're noticing wear on your front bar, you can simply unbolt it. There's 2 bolts holding each bar in. You can swap it to the back, save some wear life on your teeth, make these things last longer. We do offer replacement teeth in a grade 50 or a hardened AR 400. That's what your teeth look like. You can replace all of them. They come in sets of 16. So if you do math, which is hard for me sometimes, if we do math, you'll need 3 sets for the short bars, your 68-inch bars, or you'll have to buy 4 sets for your longer 90-inch bars. Setting these things up, 2 mounting holes. So as you can see, we have everything lined up with your same mounting hole in the front. You can have 6-inch teeth spacing, and this is going to be your narrow width on both sets if you just line everything up. If you want to offset it and make it wider, you just slide your bars, offset each one of them, and with this one you'll gain a couple inches of width, but you'll notice it turns it to a 3-inch spacing between your teeth, so you get a little finer finished look on your driveway, on your food plot, whatever you're doing. Again, endless options with these. And if you wanted to offset it and make it a wider, all the way out to the 72-inch with the 68-inch bars, or out to 96 with the 90-inch bars, you can flip every other one around. And then you'd see you're back to the 6-inch tooth spacing, but our holes are offset, and so you're on your far right hole here and your far left hole on the other one. Same thing for these back two. So you can offset it, gain some width that way. So that's really all there is to these things. There's 2 bolts per bar to hold bolted to your frame, which again is designed to hold some cinder blocks. Again, if you're looking for maximum ground engagement and also be able to use this as to just plane your high piles, high spots, low spots, you can throw 3 of these bad boys on either side, add some weight, really get it to engage, and then these bars will also help level things out a little better because you have all that down pressure. One of the great things about these attachments is our wonderful engineers here in Moorhead made it so this 3-point can oscillate up and down. You got a little bit of side-to-side movement so that this thing can float on the ground pretty good. So really awesome feature there. We get to test these things in-house right here in Moorhead, Minnesota. Engineer's sitting right over there, so that's pretty awesome. But to swap this from a 3-point to just a chain drag, or to install your 3-point 3/4 inch ratchet and wrench is all you really need. Let's tighten those up, and then you have just a chain drag. You can flop it over a hitch. You can use a pin to stick it in your UTV if you want. So lots of options, way to pull this, drag it around, roll the footage.